topic map and globe. In part 1, I have explained about the continents, oceans, shape of the earth and globe. Now in part 2, I will explain about map and types of maps. Here you see, it is a figure of an outline map of India. Now, what is a map? How to define a map? So, a map is the representation of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. A book of maps is called an atlas. Maps show different continents, oceans, countries, marketplaces, neighborhoods, landforms, etc. Sometimes maps are more useful than globes, as maps show more details, and even a small area can also be shown on a map, and it is easy to carry a map from one place to another. But maps also have their disadvantages. As the shape of the earth is spherical, so the surface of the earth is curved, and a curved surface cannot be shown accurately on the flat surface of a map. And if we try to do so, it will have creases or cracks on its edges. So we can say that a map cannot be as accurate as a globe. Now the types of maps. Maps are of different types, and each type of map gives a particular kind of information. So here is the figure of political map of India. So what is a political map? A map that shows the boundaries of countries or states or cities is called a political map. Next, physical map. Here you see the figure of a physical map of India. What is a physical map? A map that shows relief features or physical features is called a physical map. Here you see the red dotted area. It is showing the mountainous region of India. Here the green dotted area. So these are the plain regions of India. Now the black dotted area, it is showing the plateau region of India. Here this area is showing the desert area of our country. Now on the coast of India, the green dotted area is there, so it is showing the coastal plains of India. Besides these maps, there are thematic maps also. What is a thematic map? The maps that are based on a particular theme are called thematic maps. the map of the crops grown in an area, or the mineral resources found in an area, or the wildlife or forests, or the rainfall occurs in an area. So for example, here is the thematic map of the amount of rainfall occurs in different areas of India. The places where you see the dotted area, these are the places where the least amount of rainfall occurs. Next, the places where you see the cross areas, these areas receive the rainfall more than the dotted areas. Next, where you see the places with circles, these areas receive the same amount of rainfall and more than the rainfall that occurs in the cross areas. Likewise, the lining areas, the places with the lining areas, you see here, these are the areas of our country where the amount of rainfall is the highest. So these are called thematic maps. By this, the topic gets over. I will continue the topic in part 3. Thank you.